There's Al. The other Al, Alan, with his 3D printed Scout. And away she goes.
Just needed the airflow, didn't it?
Yeah. Right, it's we put in dollops of left needle on him, by the way.
Alright.
I think that was what the problem was. It was still wanting to turn.
And yet they seemed quite level, the wings, didn't it?
Yeah.
Wouldn't be the rudder, would it, Al?
No, it's still there.
Yeah.
There you are, I think we're nearly there now.
Minimum trim reached.
Thank you.
What did it say?
Minimum trim reached, it said. Oh, it's fine, I reckon, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm staying reasonably high just in case it suddenly goes, yeah.
I'm glad I'm not flying with it now.
That's all. It still wants to turn right.
Minimum trim reached.
All right, stop shouting at me. Well, now we've got
1 minute.
the trim sorted out. It's actually all right. I'll slightly down for the dog's camera. How's that?
Yeah, fine.
See if that's our landing. I think it said 1 minute to go, so.
Oh, that's alright. I thought it was quite conservative.
You going round again, Al?
Yeah, it does glide well. Caught me out there. That's why I left a bit of power, just in case.
Yeah.
To cater for my incompetence.
Safe and sound. But it has got the reputation of being a good glider.
Crikey.
There we go.
Look at that. Well done.
Yeah. When you take
3D printed as well.
Noses up.
Right.
Well, there we go.